this out. See what the weather's like out here. Come on. This is my truck. Nice out here. This is what I've been doing to my truck. This is a test. My new action camera. Still having an issue with the roof part. Still wants to hold water. I put the sides up here. Wants to hold water up here. Organization. Organize my trailer a little bit today. And testing out this new action camera I picked up online. It's COOAU, something like that. Does a little night vision stuff, and I got it personally so I could do blogs, ride blogs when I'm riding my bike. Get these things out. Do a little organizational efforts in here. And future project I'm going to be maybe working on is the Coleman. Still works. Probably have to charge the batteries. And this is my toy. Now let's see how well. See, it hasn't leaked. Now a while back, I don't know if this is picking this up. Looking down at the petcock, and a while back I put JB Weld on the petcock because it was leaking, and there was a small leak underneath here. I fixed. And it's still holding gas. Still full of gas. I don't know why you've got this on here. It's not even. I was liking the idea of the swing arm that they put on these Trailmasters, and see, this thing doesn't even look like a mini bike. Looks more like a motorcycle. But I got this thing here. I got to put some Velcro on there because the phone keeps sliding down, vibrating. So, and I got lights. But by next, I got permission from the old lady to do the. I got 62 sprocket for the Coleman, and I mean, even though it's pretty quick, it's got 50. Has a 52 sprocket on it already, and my dog wants to get in my face. My new baby, my new puppy. Yeah, we just got him 2 weeks ago, and he is just an escape artist. He likes to get out of the yard. Come on. So I'm thinking about, I'm going to put a swing arm on the Coleman CT200UEX. Got permission from my old lady. I don't know, I can't call her an old lady, but she's 64. Should be 65 next year. She'll be retiring, and I talked her into letting me put a swing arm on this thing. And I'm probably going to, I don't know if you can see it, I'm sitting on my ramp. I was thinking about cutting. I seen Redbeard did his. He was working on his recently. But I had been thinking about this for a while, where he had just left the back on. I think he cut the ears off of this. Well, I had made a swing arm for a fat tired bike I was building, a Yamaha, and I may just take maybe this. See, I'm still thinking about it. And see how this goes way back. Take maybe cut this bar off here, and I've been noticing. See, the old jack shaft came out about right here, so I noticed that the jack shafts on these things, where you got the CVT transmission on that, where it's connected to a jack shaft basically on the other side, and you have a gear. Here's the pulley from the back CVT right here, and then behind that pulley is the gear, and I guess you can change the gear ratios on them. This is going to be, I can't remember what the number of teeth on the gears was on the other jack shaft when I took it off, but it actually reduced it down to less than 5-to-1, and it was all right, but I just had a lot of problems with it binding up inside here with the just, I don't know, it just wasn't working right, and so I eliminated it, and I ended up buying a Max Torque clutch on this, and I drove it around. It works pretty good, but but then I realized that the 52 sprocket is too high. For high speeds it's good, but needed more beginning torque. So about the 62. So I'll be taking the tire off and probably getting, I don't know if I should cut. I don't know if I should cut it here, because the swing arm is pretty big. I'll go get it. It follows me around like I'm using my shadow. I would like to just run a straight ass chain from the motor all the way back to past the swing arm instead of using a jack shaft, but then the jack shaft or the swing arm have to be pretty close to the engine, and just deal with a chain tensioner or something. Alright, just gonna try painting the truck today. That's the things to do. But here's the swing arm. I put this together. This is heavy. This is a heavy motor. See, we put the tire. See, you have to put it really close. And I can almost run this thing, even with the old jack shaft setup, like right here. But I don't know if it'll go between the two bars here. Now it'll be kind of see, that's the problem. It's kind of narrow right there. And if I go in here, down lower, yeah, see, it'll be a much tighter fit. And I may have to cut it and widen it a little bit more to get it to fit around the sprocket. So I'm still debating on it. And that way it goes. Well, this is just it. Either that or have to make a whole new swing arm setup. I don't know. I have to figure it out. Trying to figure out how to get out while you're not getting out. This is where he got out. No, bad boy. So I gotta keep stuffing this shit with down here and discourage him from wanting to